All right, finally a nice enough day to get my first shots on the CZ P10C ported. Had to wait for this one to come in and it took a little bit of time, so we're gonna take a couple shots on the new target out here in between doing other chores. Not bad, first 30 shots with the new CZ P10C, and as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the old target that had the swivel on it. So we're getting some more things out here. I've been working a little bit on the range to try to get it out, but first impressions on it, I'm very happy with it. Shoots very flat. I like the grip texture, but I just need to spend a little bit more time with it before I make a decision and give any type of final review on it. But initial impressions, initial thoughts, I really like it.